What's going on, guys? So today is a very special day. I woke up one morning, I was like, I've not uploaded a YouTube video in 2 years! Okay, stop. And today, that is going to change. I see you guys that have been subscribed from the start, and I apologise for that. You 31 people, I can see you. I see you. I can actually see you. Anyway, yeah, so thank you for the comments, thank you for the likes, thank you for the subscriptions, and I think today it's going to change. So bear with me with this, guys. I am working away at the moment, but I will get you more content than what I have done before. Every week will be an upload, so stick by it. There's some good content coming, and I'm very excited for this.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears
Okay, so guys, a little bit of a backstory towards this car. I got it from Copart, fairly decent price. Couple of hits and bangs everywhere, you know, it's a bit rough around the edges. There was more oil in a frying pan than what there was in this engine, so I've already dropped the oil once before, but I'm going to drop it again. It was about 500 miles ago. But there's a couple of things like the recirculation valve needs swapping over because the hose is broken off. I'm going to swap the intake out. I'm going to do a couple of other bits and bobs like the tyres, get semi-slick tyres, and drop the coolant, and we'll see how it goes from there. So tomorrow is race day, so this is race day prep. I'm excited.
All I ever needed was to get up off my feet, 'cause I believe. Hold on just a little, we'll meet right here in the middle ground, is where we'll stand. Let go of the brittle, 'cause you'll find life is a riddle that we're not meant to understand.
Here he is, the man himself.
How doing, bro?
My bro.
Ryan was just recording.
Oh, sorry.
My brother, he's going to make up 1/3 of this channel, so he's got his own content coming. He's got his own build coming. You just bought yourself a nice motor, haven't you?
Yeah, we're going to be picking it up sometime soon, in the next week or two. We'll see what we can do with it. Maybe strip it all down, and at the moment it's a mystery.
Yeah. So I think you guys should stay in touch with us and keep watching these videos to find out what he's got. Got a screwdriver? Thank you. It's not coming out. No. That tastes disgusting. Bro, it's draining out bottom.
What? Close enough. Bro, stop! What? You've left the coolant under.
Oh dear. Well, we used the bucket to catch it and then and then lowered the car onto the bucket, so it's now everywhere. Oh.
Squash the bucket.
Okay guys, so we managed to do the coolant. Had a couple of accidents. Managed to lower the car onto the
Waste coolant.
yeah, onto the waste coolant. There's kind of coolant all over the drive, but it's mostly water because my hose has bust off before. So I've just topped it up with water. I've not really used this car much actually, but so that's all done. It's now on the full mark, so we're going to replace the oil next and put a new filter in, a new oil filter, and then I think it's time to get some new wheels. See you then. guys, it's now 5:30. It's dark outside, but we've troopered on. So we've got the tyres on. Took a little bit longer than expected to get them fitted, but I think I need some new alloys. Seems to be wobbling a little bit on his machine, so he's straightened them out. Anyway, if I say straightened it out, he's pumped them up. He's put the weights on the inside. So hopefully that should be sorted. It's sorted the tracking out as well, so the steering wheel is not shaking when you go anything above 60 miles an hour. So that's sorted. We've washed the car, we've mounted the camera, so we should be good to go, guys. I'll definitely be getting something in the morning, so more content to come as well. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow.